Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. I am going to show you a quick 5-minute Facebook class for absolute beginners. This video will help marketers on Facebook. Let's get started. Let me show you how to make a Facebook page. To create a Facebook page, you must have a personal Facebook account. Once you're logged in inside your Facebook account, click the Create button. Then choose Page. Choose the page category. Business or brand is for showcasing your products and services, while community or public figure is for connecting and sharing with people in your community. For marketers, choose business. Click Get Started. Input your page name and add a category that describes what your page is all about. Then input your business address. It's optional to input your phone number, but it's best if you include it so that the customers can easily reach out to you. If you don't want to show your address, click this checkbox to show only the city and state your business is located. Click Continue. Next, add a profile picture. Let's upload the profile picture from our drive. Then upload a cover photo. Now you have successfully created your Facebook business page. Add a button here. Choose from these options, and this will act as a call to action button. When you choose an option, you'll see the preview on the top. Click Next. Click Messenger and the Finish button. Click this area to turn on the instant message every time someone sends a message to your page. You'll see a preview in this area. Edit this message to customize it. Click Add Personalization to greet them by their first name. Then click Save. You can also customize the away message. If you cannot reply to your customers when your store is closed, you can set the time here in your message. Click this button and add the time your business is closed. Then click Save. This schedule is the time your business is closed. So when customers tries to message you during the time your business is closed, they will receive an automatic reply. You can invite your friends to like your page and start growing your followers. Click Insights. Your page insights can help you with activities on your page, including page views, likes, post reach, post engagement, and page followers. If you want to promote your business using Facebook ads, click the Visit Ad Center button, and you'll be directed to this page where you can start creating an ad. Creating an ad requires you to pay for the ad depending on your budget. Let's go back to our Facebook page. Go to Settings. If you need time to craft your page, you can set the visibility to Unpublished. You can choose the option that you're not finished with setting up your Facebook page yet. Later, you can set it to Published as soon as you're done with uploading content and editing your page. Next, go to Templates and Tabs. You can remove tabs that are not relevant to your business and organize the tabs in order. Going back to our page, you'll notice the top 3 menus are Home, About, and Services. Let's go to the About page. You must fill this up so that people can view more information about your business. Edit your username here. Click to create a username. This will be your custom URL. When we click this URL, it will direct us to our page. And using this URL, people can send direct messages to your page using the Facebook Messenger app. As you can see, this directs us to the Messenger web app connected to our Facebook personal account. As a customer, you can view these default questions you can send to the business page. Let's try one. As we click a default question, it automatically sends an instant reply that we have set a while ago. As soon as the owner of the page reads your message, he can reply to your inquiry. Going back to our page, this is the admin's view. We just received a message, as you can see in this pop-up window. You can also view messages sent to your page when you click Inbox. Click Services. You can add services here so that your potential customers can see what services they can avail from you. Input the details here and upload a photo. Then click Save. If you want to add more services, just repeat the same process. Now your page is all set. Now let me show you how to make a group. Click the Create button, then click Group. You'll see a pop-up window where you can input the information about the group you are going to create. Input the name of your group, then add some people. You can input their names or add an email address. Then select the privacy to private if you want selected people to view what's inside the group, or public if you allow anyone to view the group. Under Hide Group, set this to Visible if you want the group to appear on search results, or Hidden, which is open for members only. Click Create Group. This is the group you created. Now upload a photo. You can start inviting members to join your group. Click Add a description to tell members what your group is all about. Then add a location. Click Moderate Group. You can create rules so that people are aware of what posts are not allowed in the group. You can add a default rules here or create your rule as you click this button. Then click Write your own rule and input the title and the description. Add membership questions so that you can filter who the real members of your group are. Approval notifications. Choose to get notified when people ask to join the group. To create a topic for posts, click this button. You can create a welcome message as your first post, so your new members can view that post in this group. Creating a Facebook page and a Facebook group helps your business in creating a community with similar interests who can benefit your business promotions in the future. That's it for Facebook Basics. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box, and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.